Are you behind on your mortgage payments? Is your bank threatening to foreclose and take away your house and pay you nothing? Take back your power and save your credit. You should sell that house now for cash. But what if you owe too much money on the house, or you are upside down and you can't afford the commissions? We will buy your house now and you will pay no commissions. Even if you are upside down and owe more than the house is worth, maybe your house needs some repairs, and you just can't afford to make them. Don't worry. We will buy that house as it is. Don't fix, repair, clean up, paint, or any other thing. We will buy your house for a fair price. You will save your credit and end the stress. Get a free fair offer now. Click the link in the description below now and reduce your headache.